Hey everyone, how are you today? Welcome to the video. My name is Owen Fox, and it's my pleasure, joy and privilege and joy to make these videos. Ding ding dong. So yeah, today is, what day is it today? It is Tuesday. Tomorrow I'm doing an interview with John / a chat, which is a lovely holistic lifestyle and fitness coach, and a dad, which I really love because I'm a dad also. And I appreciate that enormously. And today's video, I wish to talk about, just want to share my thoughts and feelings and experiences regarding, what was it about? It was about competition versus cooperation and collaboration. And I say it, my kids, I'm teaching my kids as well as myself. I'm just, sometimes they say like, do you want to race? Let's race there. Like, let's race to this, my friend's house. And I'm like, how about we race together with each other instead of against each other? And how about there's no winner and loser, but we're both winners. Everyone's a winner. And doesn't it feel better when everyone's happy and teamwork works together? No losers, just happy winners. Teamwork. And this is what I'm incorporating more in my actual life these days. 2021, like I said before, is for me the year of collaboration, and it's also for humanity after what's happened in 2020. And for me, teamwork is another big word, fancy big word, not a fancy word, but a hashtag word. What way can I describe it? It's a mantra. No, it's not even a word. I don't have mantras per se. But it's a huge thing for me. It's a principle. It's a huge word which I like to live by. I don't know the word. Sorry about that. But for me, it's all about collaboration, teamwork, and cooperation. It's not about competing and beating anyone, where there's a loser and then there's a winner. And if you don't win, you're upset, and if you lose, you're sad. And if you win, maybe you think you're better than others. How is that better? Who loses when we all win? Nobody. And who loses when we work together as a team and we enjoy success? We enjoy success together. So it also applies to me in my life in terms of my relationships with strangers, social media people who are friends, and just anyone I know in physical real life too. I think I should probably go this way. Have something to do. So for me, it's not about beating others or trying to be right or make them wrong, or to get one up over them, or to lord over them, or to pull them down. For me, it's about uplifting each other. This is what I want to do in my life now, passionately and powerfully. It's not about belittling or putting somebody down or pulling them down. Because for me, I wish to give maximum respect to everybody and uphold a sense of honor and dignity and care for their knowledge, for their life's experience, for them as an individual, and appreciate their uniqueness and their specialness, which we're all special. So, like the whole topic of this video, we're all special, and isn't that something to enjoy and love and celebrate together, instead of trying to compete, saying I'm more special than you, or I'm special but you're not. So in a few other types of words, it's kind of it's, well, some people might use the word the ego. The ego loves to be better or special more than or at the expense of another. But our higher selves, which is much more of a higher frequency of 4D and 5D, wants unity consciousness and unconditional love. So yeah, I hope this video gives you something to reflect on, and it's in our moments of self-reflection where we offer in an opportunity for us to raise our frequency and our consciousness by learning from our mistakes or our experiences. There's no mistakes truly, especially if you learn from them. And to appreciate mistakes. I don't mind saying, I made a mistake. I'm wrong. Sorry, I was wrong. I'm sorry. You're right. I was mistaken. And I love saying stuff like, let's work together and uplift one another and connect. We don't have to have this make us disconnect. We have difference of opinion, and we don't have to argue either over who's right. We don't have to try and power over somebody to make them wrong or to make ourselves right. There's a sense of insecurity when we feel so insecure that we have to fight to be right. Like, if we're secure in ourselves, it's okay to be wrong. It doesn't diminish who we are. It doesn't diminish our sense of self or our worth. So, yeah, the whole concept of like big, powerful men or people or women, stereotypical macho-ness, that really isn't founded on higher frequencies, and it's not really founded on true security or inner true power. So everyone, lots of love. I hope this helped, and make sure, please feel invited and welcome warmly. Check out my links in the description below, and to befriend me on social media. To check out my links, befriend me there in my video or social platforms. And if you wish any relationship coaching or healing, or life coaching or healing, or health coaching or healing, just I do one-to-ones. I have books coming out soon, and video courses. And I have a herb store, so just check out the link below, or in the description below, to check out my coupon discount, and there's a 15% discount for you there. Lots of love. I hope it helps you or your family, all of these offers and ways I try help people.